Why am I going backwards? What's going on?
Oh look, it's the flight of the bumblebees. What are they doing, huh?
Oh no, I'm getting damage. Smashing my rotors.
Alright,
And this is how they actually make havocs, where two little birds mate. Hang on.
Has he got it in?
You have to. Am I doing it right? Am I doing it right?
Oh, I can see his... Oh, that's my rotors.
Oh, look out! He's coming from the back end.
Do you have to come from the back? What's his face?
That's hard to do when I'm laughing.
I want to look at your face when you do that.
Don't turn the light off.
Where's he gone?
He's behind you.
What are you doing there?
And here we have the mating dance of the little birds.
How do you do that? How do you bounce like that? Oh, is it... How do you bounce like that?
You can see that the male little bird has got more colour and more attitude to the female.
Where's your mate? Is he not the one? Mr. Donny's dead.
What I don't understand is that when you land on the ground there, where's all this chaff come from? You know, because it's just there we go.
Oh, he hit me.
Yeah.
Oh,
Bully.
I
Bully.
can't see
Okay, bully. So there. Oh, hang on. The music's there. I think this time the game is done.
Scrambling next time round.
Oh, hang on. I've got something here for you. Ah, no, wait a minute. Oh, he knew I was going to shoot him.